Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. I hope you're all doing well. Today I am sharing with you another store of United States. This store we have seen before, but I'm sharing with you again because this time we're looking at some 4th of July decorations at Party City. So 4th of July is actually United States Independence Day, which is coming very soon. So I decided to go to Party City and have a look at some of the decorations and some of the nice things they have. So let's go together. This Party City is located at Daniels Road at Winter Garden. The previous one that I shared with you was in Jupiter, Florida. So here we go in, and you can see they have so many different colors as always, and these alphabets actually really attracted me. And at the beginning they always have the new decorations, but this time they didn't, but they did have some USA and United States flag balloon and Father's Day balloons. Father's Day just went by, it was on June 20th, and they have some 2021 balloons as well. So let's move forward. So next I'm showing you some of these colorful frills that you put outside and they rotate with the wind. I really like them, so they were very colorful. Next you can see some very cute kids costume. They have Minnie Mouse, they have a little duck, they have a little dinosaur, a little dog, actually Scooby-Doo. We all know Scooby-Doo. Next they have a little giraffe and little Sesame Street. It's for infants between 12 to 24 months. They have a ladybug and little stinker. I think it's a cat. So let's move forward. Next they have some more costumes for little girls, and I think it's just for little girls. Yeah, they have a Jasmine costume as well. So right next to this they had 4th of July decorations that I came here for. You can see they have all the party decorations. They have paper plates, paper cups, they have some little flags, they have some banners, they have USA balloons on display, they have the banners as well, the signs for USA, they have table covers, they have wall hangings, they have napkins, they have cutleries, everything you need to throw your 4th of July barbecue. So here traditionally people usually have barbecues at their house since it's summer, so people enjoy our outdoors, have pool parties, and enjoy it with their families because it's a holiday. So you can see they have some games as well, decoration kit for outdoors, like I said, because they have outdoor parties on 4th of July, so the decorations are mostly for outdoors. On the other side they all have some more 4th of July decorations that I'll be showing you shortly. Right across from this section they have some more. They had some costumes and some wearables for 4th of July. They have some headbands for girls, they have some hats, they had some flowers, and they have some glasses, they have that glow sticks and some t-shirts as well for 4th of July. It was very cute and very interesting how people decorate their homes during the Independence Day and show patriotism towards their country. So next I'll show you some more things before we take a leave on this video. I'll show you some candy section. They have a very big gumball machine here, but in this Party City they have a very big collection of piñatas that I'll share with you. They have party favorites here, and we'll take a 360-degree angle of the this part of the store. You can see there are some piñatas on top, but on the other side I had it zoomed in and I showed closely the piñatas they have, and you can see they have a lot of party favors here, and they also have bags that you can put your party favors in, and they also have some collectible toys for kids. Here are the piñatas. You can see different colors. They have horse, and they have some that says party, some says happy birthday. They have a skateboard shaped piñata as well. They have a piñata that is shaped like a taco, very cute. They have a Pikachu one. I'll zoom in a little bit and show you more. And here's the gumball machine. Like I said earlier, it was empty for some reason. So here on top you can see some more piñatas. You can see they have a football. They have a cartoon. They have Incredibles. They have Minions. They have Avengers. They have the train. They have the cars. They have so many cute piñatas for the birthday party. So next I'll show you some more 4th of July decorations they had on the other side. We'll pass through this. They have some party decorations for kids' birthday party in different cartoon themes. Like if you want a Sesame Street or a Barbie birthday party, you can come here and you can pick your supplies. So next you can see, as we are approaching, you can see the party supplies for 4th of July. They have some wearables again. They have some clothing. They have some costumes. They have a wig as well. They have a cape, and they have some more things around for different occasions. These gold things were very cute. They had a mask, they had wigs in gold, and everything was very nice. You can see they had a skirt that's called tutu. You can see these different colors of the same things they have for 4th of July. They have them in these colors as well. They also have a mask for 4th of July. So let's move forward. Next I'll show you some of the kids' glasses. Very interesting. They have a baby shark, they have a Pikachu, they had a Joker, they had a Star Wars glasses as well. They had an alien one, so very nice cute shades for kids. They had a Frozen one as well, very nice. And you can see so many different colors, so many different things. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to check out my other videos on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.